make sure my bumper is moving freely. Error number 6.
There you go. State Farm is there. So this is the bumper, and it's supposed to move back and forth, but it is definitely stuck. Now here's a quick thing. Just if you want to clean the wheel, you just pop those two things out. And this isn't the error, and then you have to put that side in first before you pop that in, and then that pops back on. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these to get off. So now with those out, we'll get this off. And then this should just pull right out. This window is supposed to be see-through, so I'm just gonna clean that. You've got these two, and you've got this, which this can be bent back out. If they should have this kind of clearance, and they should have that kind of action. You have 3 buttons that should all have action. This should just go back into place here. There we go. Let's get those screws back in. So in my case, the bumper just got knocked off its track and just had to be put back on its track. But if yours is still not doing it, if your buttons don't react, you have to order some springs. As long as this bumper is moving freely, I know we're going to be back in business. So I'm going to turn this back on right here. I hope that worked for you.